Tired of paying for Spotify Premium and want to cancel quickly? In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to cancel your subscription in just a few minutes. No stress, no hassle. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, open up the Safari app and go to Spotify.com. Tap on the little icon on the left of the URL and make sure to access this by the desktop website. Tap on the three lines at the top right and log in to your account. Once you have logged in, tap on the gear icon on the top right and tap on View Account. Tap on Manage Your Account. Here you can see I'm already on the Spotify free account, but if you are subscribed to Premium, you will see it as Spotify Premium, where you have the option to change your plan to a free account by tapping on the Cancel Premium option. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and